Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this particular face wash that a lot of persons here have been asking about, and that is the Hit the Spot Ceramide face wash. This is the face wash. This is the face wash. Now, I've not taken my morning bath, right? It's still morning, right? But I've not taken my bath yet, and I feel like I should review this face wash on my face. Like it's still not yet washed, okay, so that you guys will see how effective it is, if it's foaming, if it's something you can get for yourself. Okay. Now, this product is finished. It's remaining small, which I want to use for a review. It's remaining just a tiny drop. Now, I got this face wash for 7,000 naira sometime in that should be in March or April. I can't remember. From here, it contains ceramide, hyaluronic acid. Then they also said it contains vitamin E, right? Now, good and fine. Now, one thing I'm going to promise you is that if you should use this face wash, best believe that it's going to last you for a long time. Let's say 3 months max. Yes. If you've watched my review video on the moisturizer, I have the review video already. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. That moisturizer lasted me for more than 3 months. I'm not kidding. Yes, even though at some point I stopped using it, I was now using it interchangeably with an aloe vera gel. Right, that was after the 3 months, so it was still remaining small. Then I then had to get an aloe vera gel and then be using them interchangeably. For this cleanser, it did not last me for up to 2 months because at a point I started using it with my mom. You get. Now let's go to the ingredient listing. Here we have aqua, glycerin, caprylic or capric triglyceride. We have cetyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, phenoxyethanol, that's a preservative. Then we have polysorbate, lactylate, a lot of other things. We have ceramide here. We have about one, two, three. How many ceramides? One, two, three ceramides. Yes. Now, one thing I want you to know is that in as much as they said it's that it contains vitamin E, and we know that vitamin E is also a brightening ingredient, I want you to take this home that vitamin E in this product is among the least. Okay, it is among the least. It is about 1% or less than 1% of it is what is contained in this face wash. So you are not going to notice the brightening effects. This face wash does not brighten. Now, if you go through the moisturizer as well, they have almost the same ingredient listing, right? Good. Now, that face moisturizer is not a brightening moisturizer. I said it there, right? Good. It is just a hydrating moisture, nothing else. It just hydrates the skin. The same thing with this face wash. So, because they said it contains vitamin E, don't go and be expecting that it's going to clear dark spots. It's going to do this. Vitamin E does not even clear dark spots. Now, do not go and be expecting that this vitamin E is going to brighten you, is going to. In this particular face wash, it will not do it because it is in a very minute percentage. Okay. Now, what it contains majorly here are hydrating products, right? Hydrating products. Even the ceramide in it is even in small quantity. It is among the least if you check it, okay? But it still contains ceramide though. But that does not mean that it has ceramide in a very large quantity. It does not. Then we have a dimethicone here. Good and fine. Dimethicone is, I think it's a silicone oil that helps to moisturize the skin. We have sodium hyaluronate here, which is a form of hyaluronic acid. Okay, still in a low percentage. Still in a low percentage, but you are going to see more of the effectiveness of glycerin from this product. It is a hydrating product. Simple. I don't know how to explain this thing. It is a hydrating product. Anybody can use this face wash. Anybody at all. If you are dry, if you are oily, normal combination, you can use this product. If you have a sensitive skin, your skin easily reacts to product, this face wash is a good one because it has no fragrance. Fragrance free, it locks in moisture, contains three ceramides, yes, enriched by hyaluronic acid. That is the sodium hyaluronate. Yeah, that's it. Let's go to the practical review, please. I need to wet my face. I'm coming. My face is all wet. All wet now. Let's go. It comes in a pump bottle. So it's something you can easily press out, okay? But it's remaining a little, so it can't at the moment. So let's open it. Okay, it has finished. Oh Jesus. Okay. Can you see it? Good. Now I want you to know that this face wash has a slimy consistency. Please, it has a slimy consistency, okay? And it is a clear solution. I rub it in on my palms. Let's go. I need to get more water. So this is it. I have water now. I don't want this to be a mess. So let's see if it foams. Hey, Jesus Christ. Now the last time I used this face wash was in, I think it was in June. It was in June. And I think someone asked me in the comment section if it foams. I think I said it foams, right? It foams. I can't remember. Oh. But then let's see. I feel like my face is not done enough. This is it. So it foams, but it's not really a I don't know if I should use the word strong, but it is not really much ladder. But when you are using it, please make sure that you have enough water on your face because I'm trying to run from the sink to where I'm filming. Maybe that's why I'm not really getting enough water for my face. Just make sure that you have enough water on your face and then you use it. How many ml is this? Is a 250 ml. So it has enough, like a lot of content. This thing is not focusing on, but I beg. 250. I hope this thing is clear. Let me wash off. I need to wash off, please. I'm coming.
Hi guys, so I'm here now. I didn't know that my mic was already off and I was still talking. So, what I was trying to say here is that I'm done washing my face and the face wash is not stripping at all, right? My face is not feeling dry or tacky, you know, it's still very, very much okay. So, what I want you to take home is that this face wash is actually very, very good for everybody. It is not a brightening face wash. It is not going to clear dark spots. It's not going to remove any. It is just a hydrating. The sole aim of this face wash is simply to hydrate your skin. If you check the ingredient listing, the topmost there is aqua and glycerin. And if you know what glycerin does, glycerin helps to retain moisture, it helps to hydrate your skin. Now, the vitamin E in there, like I said earlier, it does not brighten in this particular face wash. Okay, so vitamin E in this face wash is just going to help hydrate, retain moisture. That's all right. So, it is very, very much. I just realized now that my mic was off. So it is very, very much affordable for everybody.